Welcome to our channel. Today we how to use HelloTalk for language exchange step by step clearly. Open the HelloTalk app on your device. Create a free account or log in if you already have one. Choose your native language from the list provided. Select the language you want to learn. Complete your profile by adding a profile picture and a brief bio. Set your language proficiency level for better matching with language partners. Navigate to the Find People tab to search for language partners. Use filters to specify the languages your potential partners are fluent in. Send a text or voice message to someone you'd like to connect with. Wait for a response from your language partner. Engage in conversations through text, voice messages, or even video calls. Correct each other's messages using the correction feature. Utilize the translation tool to understand new words or phrases. Practice regularly to improve your language skills. Explore the community features for additional Keep your conversations consistent to see the best results. Remember to have fun while learning and exchanging cultures. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.